Hi, we're back at Mark's Electrical Studios, and today we're looking at Samsung's Series 6 UE49KU6400 49-inch ultra high definition LED TV. Now, we just had to review this good looking telly from Samsung. The tech and spec says £1,000 plus, but it costs way less than that. New for 2016, this beauty has a great design and a picture to die for. Design wise, the side view of the panel shows it's a wedge shape, thin on the top and wider at the bottom, and that's probably to fit all the electronics in. The thin bezel is black on the verticals and the top, and a gunmetal silver grey on the bottom horizontal bezel and the bezel sides. The stand is in silver grey with a grey underside. It's a combination that works really well. Okay, it hasn't got the sheer class of the high-end models, but we like it lots. But under the skin is where it really shines. 4K ultra high definition gives you 4 times the resolution of full high definition, and add crystal colour for 17 million true to life colours, and a high dynamic range compliancy for brilliant highlights and deep blacks, and you get an idea of what a performer this TV is. The contrast is stunning, and you gain around 20% more colour gamut than conventional UHD TVs. Wow, it's a cracker. There's UHD dimming and ultra clean view processing, and the result of all of that put together is a PQI of 1500. And movement is good too. 3D is not supported, unfortunately, and the 20 watts of 2-channel downfiring sound might need boosting for a larger room. If you like gaming, the input lag on game mode measured an amazing 19.7 milliseconds, although there is a warning that graphic quality may be decreased on that setting. On standard mode, it showed 112 milliseconds, and that goes for all 3 HDMI inputs. The Samsung Smart Hub user interface uses the Tizen operating system, which works very well. It has a highly integrated TV guide, and this year gains cloud gaming, which helps to eliminate the need for a games console. You get a 2016 Smart Hub remote for the TV, and you also get a standard remote. Let's have a look at the user interface. Okay, the first menu we'll look at is the home menu. The first tab on the bottom right is the web browsing menu with options above. Then we have the games menu, then the apps menu, which when you select, you can browse across. This is customizable, so you can add or delete your apps. Next is Mubi, Yup TV, Curzon Home Cinema, YouTube, Amazon Video, and Netflix. Live TV is next, then the search menu, then the source menu, and finally the settings menu. Again, just select and then you can choose which one you need to change. The next menu we'll look at is the extra menu, which comes up on the right. Then at the bottom is the numerical menu. But we found that the quickest way to find stuff is the speak search. So if I say the word tiger, you'll see how fast the results are. So it's slick and it's fun to use. It's the Tizen user interface, 2016 style. Okay, let's have a look at the dimensions and the connectivity. There's an on-stand height of 699 millimeters. The width of the product is 1101 millimeters, and the stand depth is 296 millimeters. For wall mounting purposes, the off-stand height is 640 millimeters. Again, the width is 1101 millimeters, and the depth or the thickness of the TV is 55 millimeters. Connectivity includes RF in, satellite, there's 3 HDMIs, composite, 2 USB 2s, there's built-in Wi-Fi, LAN, common interface, digital audio, and Bluetooth headset compatibility. So summing up, you could easily pay double the cost for a TV with this spec and last year you would have. It's got 4K ultra high definition, there's HDR, there's crystal colour, there's Tizen Smart Hub, there's cloud gaming. It's all there. It's not up there with the high-end Samsungs, but it's an amazing package. And you can have one in your home tomorrow. Free delivery with a 2-hour time slot from Marks Electrical, and that's next day and weekends included. Click the link in the description panel to buy now.